Hello everyone. I'm going to present you the Stock Market IQ AI-powered stock market application. As the presenter is Ajmal Amir. We start with the introduction. Stock Market IQ is a comprehensive stock analysis platform, combines machine learning, deep learning, and large language models powered by financial analysis, designed for investors, traders, and financial analysts seeking AI-driven markets insight. You can access. Please find below links for the project presentations and also GitHub repository and video presentation, as also this deployed application on the Streamlab link. Problems and challenges and motivations. The problems we faced is difficulty for investors to predict stock trends with traditional methods, and high volatility and noise in financial data make forecasting unreliable, overwhelming amount of real-time financial data without structured insight, lack of accessible platforms combining AI and financial market analysis for educational and personal use. So why we did this? To leverage AI and machine learning to enhance stock market forecasting, to enable users to analyze stock and predict prices in an intuitive platform, also to build an educational tool demonstrating how machine learning modules handles financial data predictions, and also help non-experts understand AI-driven stock analysis. Methodologies and results we got. Existing related approaches, traditional statistics modules, REIMA, moving average, basic machine learning modules, linear regression and decision tree, early financial AI tools, limited interactivity and explainability, our methods of market IQ approaches. So combining LSTM, ANN, KNN, decision trees and random forest and bagging and add boost modules, we build interactive visualizations and prediction dashboards, integrated financial indicators like RSI and MACD, added a sentiment analysis using text bulb, and results of observations and random forest, and also ANN performing most for the most stock higher than our square scores. Our KNNs and SFMs showed lower prediction stability on a higher volatile stocks. LSTM added deeper sequential platform learning for advanced forecasting. So technologies we used Streamlit for front end or UI. We used Pandas and NumPy for data processing, and we use scikit-learn, TransFlow, and Cars for machine learning and deep learning modules. We use LangChain and Grok for LLM financial analysis via AI. We use Matplotlib, Plotly for visualization, and FMP API real-time financial data, and TextBulb stream sentiment analysis. We use the module overview of the homepage. So we're starting with our homepage. We displays a welcome message and project disclaimer. Educational purposes, it's said that those are as follows: educational purposes only, non-investment guarantees, data sourced from external APIs, highlights some stock market key features, AI-powered predictions and real-time market insights, customizable analysis tools, user-friendly interface. These are the contents that will be in our homepage. And then we have a stock prediction app. So the stock prediction app has the following functionalities, which is fetching historical data, top 20 companies plus custom ticker, and I will demonstrate it at the end of the presentation, and trains and evaluates machine learning modules and artificial neural network, k-nearest neighbors, support vector machine, decision trees, random forest, and bagging and boost, prediction visualization, a line graph, bar graph, scatter graph. It gives us the ability to choose in between one of these visualizations. Evaluation metrics, it evaluates the MAE, mean absolute error, MSE, mean squared error, and also R squared score. Then we have our financial analyst AI, which is an AI-driven stock analysis using LangChain and plus Grok large language model. It fetch historical stock prices, computes technical indicators, RSI, relative strength index, MACD, moving and average, convergence, disconvergence, etc. Also fetch financial metrics as PE ratio, debt to equity ratio, profit margin, AI generated financial analysis and analyze report, risk and opportunity assessment, and also human approval for generating summary report and then it's a human in the loop, so allows that human to as if everything is correct, it will create a short report for the financial analysis. Then we have our market trend. So we have a live trading stock from FMP API. We have a top active stocks market leaders, and custom tickers input for trend viewing. AI predictions. AI predicts future prices using a pre-trained LSTM module, and portfolio management. Add a stock to a personal portfolio and track performance. And also we have a user guide section. At the end we have a user guide tab, which allow the user to go ahead and learn how to use this platform and this application. A step-by-step instruction exists, selects the stocks for our entire customer ticker, and also provides how to set a data range for analysis, and explains it how to use that. It explains how to choose a prediction model and graph type, explains how to analyze AI generated stock reports. It explains or guides the user how to review metrics to validate model accuracy, and we also provide some pro tips for best results. We also provide a user wider data range and how to do that. It explains how to use the wider data range, compare across multiple modules, focus on update and real-time data, and also how to contact the support for more information. Security and compliances. API keys are managed securely using the ton of files. Displays clear disclaimer to inform user for educational intent. Handles error messages gracefully. And also examples of visualizations with model predictions versus actual stock price, RSI and MACD technicals indicators, portfolio performance tracking. We also have now the main key takeaways for this presentation or this application is Stock Market IQ combines machine learning, deep learning, and large language models technologies to offer powerful stock analysis tools and user-friendly UI that even non-experts can easily navigate, and real-time financial data plus AI backed insights built for educational exploration and decision supports. And future enhancements. In the future, we're going to implement real-time LSTM prediction in 3D stock trends. We're going to add sentiment analysis from financial news headlines. We also expand multi-stock portfolio analysis. We're going to also deploy email notification system for portfolio updates. And conclusion in future works. In conclusion, machine learning provides strong tools for stock analysis, but real world uses most combined AI within human judgment. Future work at the real-time trading simulation future integrate more robust NLP for better market news, sentiment analysis, and deploy improve LSTM plus GRU hybrid models for even more accurate predictions. And thank you. I'm going to show a short demonstration for our application. Our app here, Market IQ. So we have our app, which is calling all this from our pages. In the pages we have and create a tab for us so we can click and move around. In the pages we have our financial AI analysis. We have our homepage, and also we have our market trends, and then we have a stock prediction FMP, which is our most focus for this class and for this project is, and our user guide. And now I'm going to open our running application. This is our homepage. It's a disclaimer, and this is the welcome, and also why we choose a stock market IQ. Then we have a stock prediction analysis. So it fetched the data from FMP, and then It allows us to choose in 20 best companies. And then once we choose, like for example, Microsoft, and you can change the data range and from to n, and we can ask to predict how many days, and we can change in between the graphs. Then we can, once we did that, it's going to run, and it's going to give us the list of the trend predictions, and also explanation of how to use, how to do which model is better. Then it gives us the first one, artificial neural network predictions, as you can see, and also the k nearest neighbors and all of them all the way down here. Then we have a compression table that compares which model is doing better. And then we're going to go to our financial analysis. In here we have, we put a ticker when we ask to analyze it for us. And after the analyzation, it fetches the data. It tells us like technical indicators, RSI, MSAD, and select our graph, allow us to change between graphs, and then visualize the RSI and also the MSAD financial metric, shows the financial metrics. And then here explains everything one by one. And after that, it asks us to, if you're happy with this explanation, you can approve it, and it will give us a short report, generating a summary report. Then we have our market trend, which shows the trends of the current market. It's live, so you can change between companies up and down. And there's an AI predicted price that will go higher or up. Then we can add a number of stocks and follow how much everything will work. So add to our portfolio, then it will give us a portfolio. So then we have our user guide. The user guide explains every steps how to use this application. And that's it. Thank you so much. Hope you have explained everything, and thanks for watching.